Good morning, children. So, continue with question answers of class 6, subject science, lesson number 5, substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. Okay. In our last video, we have written the question number 5. Now let's write the question number 6. What will happen if and why? So A question is, nails are made of plastic. Made of plastic. Okay, what will happen if the nails are made of plastic? We already know the nails are made up of iron. If the nails are made up of plastic, so what happened and why? So that we have to write down. Let's write. Answer. If nails are made of plastic, they will not be able to able to pierce through other substances on being pushed off, on being pushed or forced by hammer. Okay. Plastic lacks the property. Lacks the property of hardness. Okay. Plastic is not hard as the iron. So when you beat with hammer, so it does not pierce to other substances. So write down answer. Then B question. A bell is made of wood. Question B. A bell is made of wood. A bell is made of wood. So what happened there? Answer. Why we use the bell? gives a sound. Okay, if it is made up of wood, it does not give a sound. So wood does not have the sonority property. If a bell is made up, a bell is made of wood, it will never make a ringing sound. Make a ringing sound. Made a ringing sound. A wooden bell does not have wooden bell does not have the property of being sonorous. Okay. So according to its property, the substances are made up of. Then sonority is a property of metals. Okay. Sonority is the property of metals. To produce a ringing sound. To produce a ringing sound. To produce a ringing sound. Metals have a property of sonority. So we hear a sound from the bell. So bell is made up of metal. Write down. Then third one is C. Rubber is not fitted. Rubber is not fitted on a pair. Fitted on a pair of tongs. So what happened? Write down. Rubber is a bad conductor. Okay. Rubber is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. heat and electricity. It will not allow heat. Pair of terms are made up of metals which conduct heat and electricity. Which conduct heat and electricity. Which conduct heat and electricity. If rubber is not heated, is not fitted on a pair of tongs, we will not be able to lift hot objects with it. Okay, rubber is bad conductor of heat and electricity. So अगर वो लोग हॉट चीजें यूज पकड़ने के लिए उसको यूज करेंगे तो रबर की वजह से वी आर प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, so write down C question. Then next B. A knife is made of wood. B. A knife is made of wood. Okay, so what a knife we never use. Got the thing? Answer: wood does not have property of malleability. Therefore, the age of wooden knife will be blunt. Hence we Hence, we will not be able to cut. We will not be able to cut anything with it. Anything with it. Okay? Wooden knife becomes the blunt. So, no use of wooden knife. Write down. Then next E is the last one. And X is made up of rubber. And X is made up of rubber. It's a E. Then answer rubber does not have the property of hardness. Okay? Hardness. Know the properties, then you are able to write the answers. Hardness, that is required. Hardness, that is required. To push through, to cut through, to cut it. Okay, rubber is soft, so we use the X to cut the thing, to push the thing. So rubber does not have the property of hardness, hence. Okay. So this is the answer. Write down this answer. Then remaining question answers we will write in our next period or next video. Bye everyone.